Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our 13th chapter of class 9th, that is surface areas and volumes. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about the surface areas and volume of 3D figure. Okay, so as you know very well about the 3D figures, for example, this is a cuboid. So this figure is a cuboid, and it is a 3D figure because it has length, breadth and height. Okay, so the figure that have length, breadth and height is known as a 3-dimension figure. Okay, so as you see that this is a cube, okay, which is a 3-dimension figure. Okay, so cuboid is made cuboids, all faces is made from rectangle. They are in the shape of rectangle, and cubes, all faces are in the shape of square. Okay, so in cube all the sides are equal, and in cuboid, as you know that in rectangle opposite two sides are equal, so same here. Okay, so as you know that this is length, breadth, and this is known as a breadth, and this is our height. Okay, so now we will discuss that how can we find the surface area of a cube. As you see that we have net of cube. Okay, so I take an example. Okay, so you know that all the sides of cube are in the form of square, and all the sides of square are equal. Okay, so as you see we have the net of cube, and all the sides are equal because they are in the form of square. Okay, so when we find the area of this side, okay, then what is the area of this side? This side, area of this side is a square, and similarly area of this side is a square, because let us take the side of square. This square is a. Okay, so you know that all the sides are equal. Okay, so when all the sides are equal, what is the area of this square? Is side into side. Okay, so you know that the area of square is side into side. So we have side a multiplied by a, answer is a square. Okay, so that's why the area of this square is a square, area of this square is a square. Similarly area of all the square is a square. Okay, so as you see that when we combine these net, we get the square like in this way. Okay, so when we join it, we get a cube. Okay, in this way. So when we join all the sides, we get a cube. Okay, so if we want to find the surface area of cube, we have 6 faces, and the area of all is a square. So when we join, we get 6a square. Okay, so in this way we can find the surface area of cube. So what is the surface area of cube? The surface area of cube is 6a square. Similarly, we can find the surface area of cuboid. Let us take the example. As you see that we have net of rectangle. Okay, so when we use it and make the cuboid by using it, so as you see, when we join, we get a cuboid. Okay, in this way we get a cuboid. Okay, so how can we find the surface area of this cuboid? As you see that this is the length. As you see that this is the length, and this is the breadth. Okay, so what is the area of this rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. So area of this rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Okay, so as you know, this side is here. Okay, so you know very well that the area of this side is equal to the area of this side. Okay, so similarly, if the area of this side is length multiplied breadth, so same is here. Okay, so this is also length multiplied by breadth. It means this is our length and this is our breadth. Okay, so this is length breadth and this is also length multiplied by breadth. Okay, so as you see that this is our height. ओके, जैसे आप देख रहे हो हमारे पास एक क्यूबॉइड है, तो इसकी हाइट कौन सी है? ये वाली. ठीक है, तो ये हमारी क्या आ गई? हाइट. दिस इज द हाइट एंड दिस साइड इज ब्रेड्थ. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर ब्रेड्थ. So what is the area of this rectangle? The area of this rectangle is breadth into height. So the opposite side to this side is this one. If the area of this side is breadth multiplied by height, then area of this side is also same, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Okay, now our third, as you see that this side is remaining, so this is our height and this is the length. This is our height and this is the length. So what is the area of this side? Height into L. Okay, same, this side is equal, this figure is equal to this figure now. So this rectangle is equal to this rectangle. So what is the area of this rectangle? The area of this rectangle is also the area of दिस रेक्टेंगल. दोनों इक्वल होंगे ना ये वाले, क्योंकि दोनों रेक्टेंगल सेम है, तो ये भी क्या होगा? h इंटू एल. ठीक है, तो जब हम इन सभी एरियाज़ को हम ज्वाइन कर देंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. तो कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे? तो देखो, लेंथ इंटू एच, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ प्लस लेंथ इंटू एच प्लस लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ प्लस ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट प्लस ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. Okay, so we have 2 times length into h, it means 2LH, 2 times L into B, so 2LB plus 2 times BH, 2BH. Okay, so now we arrange it, 2LB, 2BH, 2HL. ठीक है, मैंने इसको यहाँ पे लिख दिया, इसको यहाँ पे और इसको यहाँ पे. ठीक है, जैसे मर्जी लिख सकते हैं. 4 + 5 + 6 जितना आंसर आएगा उतने ही आंसर इसका आएगा, तो सेम ही चीज़ है. ओके, नाउ वी टेक 2 कॉमन, 2LB, BH, HL. ओके, तो यहाँ से हमारे पास क्या आ गया? सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड? 2 × LB + BH + HL. This is the surface area of cuboid. In this way, we can derive the formulas of surface area of cube and cuboid. Okay, now by using these formulas, we can solve the questions. So let us take the example. The first example is Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with picture of Santa Claus on it. She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length, breadth and height as 80 cm, 40 cm and 20 cm respectively, how many square sheets of paper of side 40 cm would she require? Now what they say that Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She have a Christmas tree and she want to decorate it. Okay, and where she want to place the tree? She want to place the tree on the wooden box, and now she want to cover this box with the paper. Okay, so she wants to know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. Means she want that the box she want to cover, and for covering she required a paper, and she wants to know the exact quantity of paper. मतलब उसको कितना पेपर चाहिए इस बॉक्स को कवर करने के लिए, तो वो जानना चाहती है, ठीक है. एंड लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट ऑफ द बॉक्स इज गिवन. ओके, सो द पेपर इज इन द form of square. Okay, and she wants to know that how many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeter would she require. So in this question, first of all, we know that we cover all the sides of the, for example, I have this box. Okay, I want to cover this box by a paper. Okay, so as you see that we have to cover only its sides. ओके, कि हमने सिर्फ इसकी क्या कवर करेंगे, इसकी साइड्स ही अकेली कवर करेंगे पेपर के साथ. तो साइड्स कवर करने के लिए हमें इसका क्या निकालना पड़ेगा कि जिससे पता चल जाए कि पेपर इतना यूज़ होगा. तो उससे हमें सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सो फर्स्टली वी फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द बॉक्स. ओके, सो इन दिस वे, first of all we find the surface area of this box, and you know very well the surface area of the surface area, what is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so length, breadth and height is given, so we find by putting the values here. 2 L is 80 into B is 40 plus B is 40 into H is 20 plus H is 20 into L is 80. Okay, so we multiply it. 2 into 3200 plus 800 plus 1600. Okay, now we add it. When we add, its answer is 5600. Now we multiply it with 2, 11,200 centimeter square. Okay, so we get the total surface area is 11,200. Clear? Now we find the area of sheet of paper. Okay, so you know very well that sheet of paper is in the form of square, and what is the area of square? Side multiplied by side. The side is given, that is 40 centimeter. 40 multiplied by 40, which is equal to 1600 centimeter square. Okay, now we want to find that how many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeter would she require. Then what will we do? We divide the area of box, surface area of box, by the area of sheet paper. Okay, so number of sheets required is area of surface area of box upon area of sheet. Okay, so area of box is 11,200 upon area of sheet is 1600, so 2 zeros cancel with 2 zeros. When we divide it, its answer is 7. So how many sheets she required to cover the box? She needs 7 sheets to cover the box. Clear? The next example is Hamid has built a cubical water tank with the lid for his house with each outer edge 1.5 meter long. He gets the outer surface of the tank excluding the base covered with square tiles of side 25 centimeter. Find how much he would spend for tiles if the cost of the tiles is rupees 360 per dozen. ओके, सो इसमें क्या कह रहे हैं कि जो हामिद है वो एक क्यूबिकल वाटर टैंक बनाना चाहता है, उसकी लिड भी हो फॉर हिज हाउस, ठीक है। लिड मतलब ऊपर से वो कवर हो एक लिड के साथ, ठीक है। सो उसका आउटर एज हमें दिया 1.5 मीटर, ओके, एंड ही गेट द आउटर सरफेस ऑफ टैंक एक्सक्लूडिंग द बेस। तो उसको आउटर सरफेस एरिया है टैंक का पता है, ठीक है, बेस को एक्सक्लूड करके मतलब निकाल के। कवर्ड विद द स्क्वायर टाइल्स, जो कि स्क्वायर टाइल्स के साथ कवर्ड है, और उसकी टाइल्स की साइड कितनी है 25 सेंटीमीटर, ओके। तो अब हमने फाइंड क्या करना है, दैट हाउ मच ही वुड स्पेंड फॉर द टाइल्स, की कितनी मनी उसको टाइल्स के लिए स्पेंड करनी पड़ेगी। अगर टाइल्स की कॉस्ट 360 पर डजन है, मतलब अगर वो 12 टाइल्स परचेज करता है तो उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी है 360, ओके। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स दैट ही रिक्वायर्ड, ओके। पहले तो हमें ये पता होना चाहिए ना कि कितनी टाइल्स उसे चाहिए, तो वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे। फर्स्टली वी फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ टैंक एंड देन वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ टाइल, okay. So as you know that area of tile we can find the applying the formula, that is side multiply by side. So side is given 25, so 25 multiply by 25 we get the area of each tile, okay. And if we want to find the surface area of tank, so as you know that what is the surface area of tank, 6a square, okay. But here we take base जो है एक्सक्लूड की है, ठीक है, आउटर और तो एक साइड नहीं होगी, ठीक है, 5 साइड ही होंगी अकेली। सो 5a स्क्वायर, दैट्स वाई हेयर वी टेक द सरफेस एरिया 5a स्क्वायर। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कन्वर्ट द साइड इनटू सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज स्क्वायर जो टाइल्स की साइड है वो भी सेंटीमीटर में गिवन है, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले हम इसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे। तो सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट किया 150 आ गया, तो वहाँ से हम क्या फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे, सरफेस एरिया ऑफ टैंक 5a स्क्वायर, okay. Next we divide the both areas and we get the number of tiles, that is 180, okay. Now it is given कि जो 12 टाइल्स की कॉस्ट 360 है, वहाँ से हम क्या फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे, 1 टाइल की कॉस्ट। तो 1 टाइल की कॉस्ट कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, 360 को 12 से डिवाइड करके, तो हमारे पास कितना आंसर आ गया 30। नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई 30 विद 180 and we get the answer, that is 5400, clear. So here exercise 13.1 and you have to try to solve it, okay. In the Zoom session we will discuss the questions of exercise, clear.